Hey everyone, I'm Alex, the CEO and co-founder of AetherLab. We're helping companies make sure their AI behaves exactly how they need it to. We're calling this AI quality control, which is a control layer that enforces quality, brand, structure, and visual standards across generative and agentic systems. Right now, companies are deploying AI they can't fully trust. Most control layers stop at basic safety and ignore everything that actually matters for product behavior and user experience. Will the AI stay on brand? Will it follow platform rules? Will it avoid generating images with the wrong logo, distorted characters, or low quality output? Today, no one can guarantee that. We can. Let me show you how. So let's imagine a manga platform using AI across two core workflows. One is customer facing, where users can generate their own manga. The other is internal, where teams use AI to speed up production while staying on brand. In both cases, the risk is the same. The AI might generate content that doesn't meet the company's standards, and that's exactly where AetherLab comes in. The first tool in our platform is called Prompt Guard. It lets you define what's acceptable: tone, themes, structure, brand rules, anything that matters to your product. Let's say the company blocks nudity, hate speech, and graphic or overt violence, and blurry for images when we get to that. But it allows non-bloody action. Let's say a user comes on to the platform and they type generate a battle between warriors. That's fine. Prompt Guard lets it through because it doesn't contradict any of the requirements that we've set up in what we say is blocked and allowed. In Japanese, the result is the same. It's compliant. But let's say a user comes on and they say, generate a bloody battle between warriors. Well, that crosses the line and Prompt Guard blocks it. And let's just double check that in Japanese, this still is consistent. And lo and behold, we see that it still gets blocked because the system understands the intent, not just the word. And that's the key. Prompt Guard doesn't rely on keyword matching. It uses contextual awareness, so even if somebody rephrases the request or tries it in a new language, it still catches it. But even if the prompt is fine, the AI might still generate something off-brand, and that's where Media Guard comes in. Media Guard analyzes the actual output, text, images, audio, or video, and checks it against the company's quality and brand standards. We currently have text and images implemented and are working on audio and video. So even if a prompt like give me a manga about fighting gets through, the AI might generate a scene that includes blood or violates other visual tone guidelines. Media Guard will catch this before it even reaches the user, and that's what we see here. But on the other hand, let's say that the AI generated a completely acceptable scene that does not contradict the blocked or the allowed content that does get through. Let's take one more example here. Let's say that as part of quality, we don't want blurred images. So we're going to upload that one, and we're again going to compare it to what we say is high quality and low quality, and then we're going to say non-compliant because we have this requirement here that the images cannot be blurry. Just to close the loop, everything I showed you today was through the UI, but using it with your own product is simple. You sign up, use the UI to see how our tech fits with what you're building, and when you're ready, your team connects to us through a simple API. That's it. No heavy setup, no complex integration, and once you're connected, the system can process millions of prompts and outputs within seconds at scale. The platform is fully modular, so you don't have to adopt the entire system. You can plug in just the parts you need, wherever it makes the most sense in your stack, and it works on top of whatever safety or security layers you already have. We're here to give you control, not replace your infrastructure. And we're deployment agnostic. Right now, most teams use us through AWS, GCP, or Azure. But we're also building native integrations with platforms like Snowflake, Dataiku, and Salesforce, so you'll be able to deploy us directly from those marketplaces, no setup required. On-prem is available, on-edge is coming. We'll meet you wherever your AI lives. And here's the best part. The more feedback you give it, marking results as good or bad, the smarter and faster the system gets. That means lower cost, better performance, and faster decisions over time, which is a win-win-win. We've also built a third component called SecureMark, which is our watermarking system for media. It's the most robust solution we know of for ensuring that any image, video, or other media type, whether it's generated by AI or not, is permanently and reliably marked as your own. Because the watermark is embedded directly in the content, it carries through both digital and physical formats, so whether it's shared or printed and distributed, it remains identifiable as yours. Okay, great. So how does this all work? Well, under the hood, our platform runs 30 plus lightweight agents that work together to enforce whatever your team defines as a requirement. That could be tone, structure, brand voice, platform rules, image quality, really anything that matters to your product experience. If your team can describe it, we can enforce it across both user inputs and AI outputs. This isn't a prompt wrapper or a safety filter. We've built real infrastructure designed specifically to bring product level control to AI. Over half our team holds PhDs in AI safety and alignment, and we spent years focused on one thing, making AI behave the way product teams need it to. That's why we're the only ones offering this level of control across input, output, and all media types, because we built for this problem from day one. If you're deploying Gen AI or agentic systems, and you care about brands, quality, or control, this is the infrastructure that makes it possible. That's what we do at AetherLab. We make sure your AI behaves like part of the product because that's what your users expect. Thanks.